Here are 5 things you didn't know about Emperor Caracalla, Rome's most paranoid ruler. First, he murdered his own brother Geta in their mother's arms during a fake peace meeting in 211 AD. He held the bloody corpse while forcing her to watch him die. Second, he immediately ordered the execution of 20,000 of Geta's supporters. Friends, servants, anyone who had ever shown the dead prince loyalty was killed. Third, he tried to erase Geta from history by chiseling his name off every statue and coin in the empire. This early form of censorship was called damnatio memoriae. Fourth, his paranoia grew so intense he executed people for the smallest perceived slights. Even having prophetic dreams about him could mean death. Fifth, his paranoia proved justified when his own Praetorian prefect Macrinus arranged his assassination in 217 AD. Caracalla was killed while urinating on the side of a road during a military campaign. His murderous suspicions had created the very conspiracy that destroyed him.